Hey guys, this is Peter with GoodyReader.com, and this is the LePow or LePow, I'm not sure how the pronunciation is done, USB-C monitor. We have had yet another one just sent to us blindly to our Japanese office here, and I have never opened it yet. It is still factory sealed. I don't know much about this one, but we did recently do that Odake monitor, and we've been waiting on the review, as have you guys, because we've been asking them if they could send us some support and tell us what it does, how it works, etc. But they basically went dark and didn't give us any information, so we can't really do a review till we properly know about the device. So that's what's up with that. So this is a 15.6 Type-C portable display, it says here. You see it's a Shenzhen, China. That's like the tech area in China there. You have 300. I don't know what brightness is measured in. I know like Kelvin for color temperature, but I don't know what CD actually is. If you guys know, drop a comment down below. But it is 6800 degrees Kelvin. Has a good visual angle, 1920 by 1080. So it's not 4K or anything like that. And it's IPS screen, so let's just check out what is in the box, and hopefully if these guys don't go dark on us, we can do a proper review on this. So as expected, we have our USB-C cable right there. Just gonna open everything, might as well. This might be the only video we do on it, so make it as long as possible. Like seriously, I'm not even joking. The vendors that send us these have to support us, and we have to know, you know, what their device is all about to properly showcase it. We have a USB wall charger, and we have our little foam protector here, and it looks like the monitor itself. There doesn't seem to be any easy way to take it out other than just slowly lift up one of the sides there. Oh, we do have some other stuff. We'll look at that first. This looks very similar in color scheme as the Odake monitor that was sent to us, the Blade X. USB to USB, male to male. And we have a mini USB to mini HDMI to HDMI right there. Let's open everything up here. Might be micro, not sure. And we have the user guide. Oh, it's written in Japanese. Oh, it's interesting. Okay, maybe they catered it towards this office instead of the Vancouver or Chicago one. So that's everything that comes in the box. Let's look at the device itself here. Will this just be a clone of the Odake monitor? We don't know. Oh, it comes in this nice folio case. This thing is very big, so I apologize about the viewing surface area here. Oh, cool. Wow. Okay. Oh, the case is built in. No, it isn't. Oh, it's completely magnetized. It's completely separate. That is very nice. Well, that's a little bit of a shock, not a shock, that's a little bit of a surprise. It is magnetized to the back of the monitor. And because this doesn't store data or anything, I'm pretty sure you can safely magnetize the whole thing. Let's just put that off to the side for now and look at the rest of the device. Looks like you have some stuff over here. You have power, volume up and down, and if you press, it looks like a back button. And that is what charges it or powers. And you have HDMI, USB connector, and headphone. Doesn't seem to be anything else on it, and it doesn't look like... Oh, there are speakers. There's twin speakers. There's one on this side and one on that side. Looking at the device itself here, is it flush screen and bezel? It is not. And let's just take this magic film off. How do I take it off? Lift one corner. There we go. Oh, very nice. All right. So very nice matte screen. It's not a gloss screen. And that's basically all we have to say about it. There it is. So we really hope that we can get some word on these guys and they can properly tell us how to utilize their device. If there is anything else but it being an external monitor. If there is, we will do a full review on this and let you guys know how it turns out for GoodyReader.com, and a unboxing of the LePow 15.6 inch portable monitor. This is Peter.